2010, Mr. Ponifasio's practicing certificate was suspended for 2 years. The Secretary of the Law Society, Rosella Papalii, has questioned the Court of Appeal decision's impact as the Society plans to pursue its charges of alleged misconduct. The Law Society Secretary says the charges are very serious. A Samoa lawyer and unsuccessful candidate in 2016 general election, Tuala IOSEFO Ponifasio, is standing trial on bribery charges. The charges were brought in a private prosecution by 5 electors of the Gaga'emauga No. 1 constituency. The defendant is accused of giving money to some of the electors, and if found guilty he may face a custodial sentence or a fine. The private prosecution case, which started on Wednesday, has proceeded after the defendant had failed in his efforts to have the case withdrawn. A reliable source said Tuala, and some of his relatives, had made a traditional apology or ifoga and presented fine mats and money to some of the constituency's chiefs, but it was not accepted. Meanwhile, the first 2 witnesses have testified that in a gathering before the election the defendant had given them money through a member of his election committee and offered to provide apple-picking jobs in New Zealand for some of the voters. It wasn't the first time he had stood for election, trying his hand in 2016, and a time before that in 2011. But he was unsuccessful, and in 2017 he was found guilty of 6 charges of bribery and treating in the district court. On 17 May 2023, court denied Deputy PM's application for $15,000 security costs. On 8 April 2019, Belcher lodged a written complaint with the police concerning the alleged sale and theft of his excavator. Belcher claimed that Tuala tried to deport him so he could not file a legal claim. Around September 2020, Belcher filed a claim with the Supreme Court, and soon after, the Ministry of the Prime Minister and Cabinet, MPMC, received information about Belcher's immigration status.